Hello everyone, welcome again to our channel Must Watch Tips. My name is Parth Patel and in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Power BI Desktop in your system. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So for those who don't know Microsoft Power BI Desktop, let me give you a quick background. So Power BI is a self-service business intelligence tool that helps you to connect, model and visualize the data. And BI in the Power BI stands for Business Intelligence. And if you want to know more about Power BI and want to learn from scratch, then you can always visit our channel where we have already uploaded videos of Power BI. So now let us head towards downloading the Power BI desktop. And there are two ways in which you can download the Microsoft Power BI desktop. The first is that you can install an app from the Microsoft Store itself. And this is the easiest way to download and install Power BI desktop. You just have to open Microsoft Store app on your computer and search for Power BI Desktop. And you can select on the Get button to install it. The another way is to download directly as an executable and install on your computer. So if you are preferring to download the installer file directly from the Microsoft, you can just go to Power BI Desktop download page, that is www.microsoft.com/downloads. And once you have downloaded the file, you can run it to install the Power BI Desktop on your computer. So let me just show you both of them quickly. So let me just show you first from the web browser where we will download manually. So I'm here in my browser and I'll type Power BI download. And after hitting enter, there is a link called powerbi.microsoft.com where we have the downloads option. So we'll click on downloads Microsoft Power BI, this link, and that link will land you to here. And you can see that we have an option of Microsoft Power BI Desktop advanced download option. So if we'll click on this, it will land you to the download center page. And there is a button to download over here. So if you click on download, it will give you two options. Basically it is a normal version and another is the 64-bit version. So whichever you want to download, just click on this and it will automatically starts downloading. And the another way which I personally recommend you, the way you should install the Power BI desktop is that you can go to Microsoft Store, where on the search bar you can type Power BI desktop and there is a button to install. So if you click on install, it will start downloading from here itself. So advantage, as I told you earlier, that if Microsoft updates Power BI desktop at any point of time, then the application which you have installed gets automatically updated from the Microsoft App Store. So you don't need to bother about the updates. And on the other hand, if you have installed via the exe file, the setup file, then you need to keep an eye on the updates, and whenever there is an update, you need to reinstall it again after downloading it. So friends, I guess this is all you need to know about downloading and installing the Power BI desktop application. I hope you like this video, and if you want to learn Microsoft Power BI from scratch, you can always visit our channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends. And now it's time to say you goodbye.